Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install Canva application on your iOS device. To download and install Canva application, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store. In the search box at the top, type in Canva and search. Look for this application with this specific logo over here and tap on the Get or the Download button. Wait until the application gets downloaded, which will take a couple of minutes. Canva is a popular graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content with ease. It has a user-friendly interface, intensive template library, collaboration tools, stock library, and professional tools with additional features like premium templates, larger storage, and social media scheduling. Once the application is installed, tap the Open button. And there you have successfully downloaded your Canva application on your iOS device. You can now continue to sign up for a free account or log into your existing Canva account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Goodbye.